How to split large CSV files into smaller files? In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of splitting large CSV files into smaller files, using the 4n6 CSV splitter software. To install the 4n6 CSV splitter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides the user with two options. You can choose either one of the available options. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing CSV files, and click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of CSV files within the selected folder will appear on the left. Click on any file to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it, showing the list of all the headers in the selected CSV file. Users can choose individual columns or select all columns to split. The contents of the CSV file can be previewed in the panel on the right. Users can keep track of displayed records as well. This tool also allows the user to search for specific data. Now, let's go through the split process. Click on the Actions button and select the Split in Multiple option. Location bar allows the user to view the destination path for the split CSV files. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Open Folder after export is done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Files header options will allow you to specify whether to include or exclude a header row in your new CSV file. File New Name option allows the user to specify a new name for the split file. Max Rows per New File option allows users to select the maximum number of rows to be included in the new split CSV file. Select Columns option allows users to choose which specific columns from the CSV files they want to split. Users can select or deselect columns for splitting using the checkboxes in the panel next to the Select Columns option. After configuring all the settings, click the Save button to start the process. A pop-up will appear on screen indicating that Trail version will only export 3 entries from each file, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click on OK. Let's check the newly split CSV file. Open any folder, and then the CSV file to view the entries. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.